Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast where we help you learn English quickly and naturally.
Yes, and today we have an exciting topic, astronomy. We're discussing a big question. Did LIGO just see its most important gravitational wave ever?
That's right. LIGO is a science experiment that detects gravitational waves, tiny ripples in space caused by huge cosmic events, like black holes colliding.
Before we talk more about that, let's explain an important phrase. Gravitational waves. These are invisible waves that move through space. Imagine throwing a stone into water. The ripples spread out. That's similar to how gravitational waves move.
Exactly. And LIGO is a machine that listens for those waves. Scientists use it to learn more about space. But why is this event so special?
Well, scientists believe this time might be different. Normally, we detect just the wave, but this time they might have also detected light and particles from the same cosmic event.
Oh, that's a big deal. Right now, most of what we know about space comes from light, like what we see through telescopes. But if we can see light, detect particles, and hear gravitational waves from the same event, we get a much clearer picture of what's happening.
Yes, that combination of different signals is called multi-messenger astronomy. Let's break that down. Multi means many. Messenger means something carrying information. So multi-messenger astronomy means using different types of signals to learn more about space.
Great explanation. Imagine learning about an event using only your ears. You'd hear sounds but not see anything. Now imagine if you could also see and touch objects. You'd understand much more. That's why multi-messenger astronomy is so exciting.
Exactly. Scientists are now checking the data to confirm if this really happened. If it did, it would help us understand space much better.
Let's go over some useful vocabulary and phrases from today. First, gravitational waves. These are invisible ripples in space caused by huge cosmic events.
Then, multi-messenger astronomy. That's when we use different signals like waves, light, and particles to study space.
And don't forget, detect. It means to discover or notice something. We used it when talking about LIGO detecting gravitational waves.
Yes, like saying, the police detected a clue at the crime scene, or I detected a strange smell in my kitchen.
Great job. Keep practicing these words, and soon you'll be able to talk about space in English like a pro.
That's all for today. Keep learning and have a wonderful day.